schoolers. I've got a new book to read to you guys today as part of our unit on things that grow. We already read The Tiny Seed and The Carrot Seed about plants and fruits and vegetables that grow from a seed. We read The Very Hungry Caterpillar about caterpillars that grow into butterflies. And last week we read Make Way for Ducklings, which was about little ducks that hatch out of an egg. Today we're going to read a book called I Heard Said the Bird. I Heard Said the Bird by Berrens. I heard said the bird. Just by looking at the front cover and knowing that the title is I Heard Said the Bird, go ahead and talk to whoever you're with about what you think this story might be about or what you think is going to happen. I heard said the bird. Let's find out. A bird flew into the barnyard. I heard, said the bird. I heard. What? Asked all the animals. What did you hear? I heard, said the bird, that there's a new one coming. A new one is coming. I wonder who it is. Soon the barnyard was bustling with the news. Everyone began asking, what is the new one going to be? They asked the duck, is the new one a duckling? But the duck said, no. So it's not a duckling. They asked the pig, is the new one a piglet? But the pig said, no. So it's not a duckling, it's not a piglet. They asked the goose and the hare. A goose and then the hare must be another word for a rabbit, not like the hair on your head. They asked the mouse and the mare. Mare must be another word for a horse. They asked the mouse and the mare. They asked here and there and everywhere, but everybody said no. What could be coming? How do you know there's a new one coming? Said all the animals together. All those farm animals. I heard, said the bird. How? Asked the cow. When? Asked the hen. Where? Said the mare. In the house? Squeaked the mouse. Just then a little boy came out. What's going on? He asked. Well, the animals told him, it's about the new one. I heard, said the bird. How? Asked the cow. When? Said the hen. Where? Asked the mare. In the house? Squeaked the mouse. Yes, said the little boy. Yes, what? Shouted the animals. Yes, said the little boy. The new one is in the house, and if you'll be very quiet, I'll let you see him. Woo! Cried the animals all together. I wonder who the new one is. Then, very quietly, the little boy led the animals to the house, and very quietly they all tiptoed to the window and looked inside. It's a new baby, the little boy whispered. It's a new baby. Look at that. Look at the little baby in the crib and all the animals looking. My word, said the bird. And how? Said the cow. Of course, said the horse. Aww. I declare, said the hare. a new baby on the barn. Did you guys like this story? What was your favorite part? Turn and talk to whoever you're with and talk about what your favorite part of I Heard Said the Bird was. Bye, friends.